Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. In this Angular video, we learn how we can add style to component, how we can add same style to different component, and how we can add internal style and how we can add inline style. Okay, first is how we can add style to component. Normally, component have four files. In that, one file for adding CSS here. Open HTML file. This is h1 tag with class is main. Then add style to this class. Open CSS file dot name of class and color is red. Compile it and open browser. We have a red color. This is way we can add a style to single component, but we have multiple component and every component contain heading, and we want to add same style to that heading. That time simply add this CSS to styles.css. Now style apply for all component. See here, header is another component and it contain heading h2, same class name. I am right here, same class main. Compile. For use this component, use selector in app.component.html file. Copy this selector and paste in app.component.html file as a tag. Compile it and open browser. We have red color for both. If component contain one or two tag, then we can also apply style in HTML file. Let's see how. Simply write here style tag. In style tag, name of class is main and set color to blue. Compile it. Close style tag. Compile it and open browser. Here we have blue color. Here we can also add inline style. Here write style color is green. Compile it and open browser. We have green color. In this way we can add style in different way. Thanks for watching.